This short guide will walk you through how to share a SurveyMonkey survey with ease, whether you're collecting feedback for a project, conducting market research, or just gathering opinions. Knowing how to efficiently share your surveys is crucial. So let's dive right in and make sure you're all set to share your surveys with your intended audience. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to surveymonkey.com. Once you've arrived at the SurveyMonkey homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you haven't done so already, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. SurveyMonkey offers a user-friendly interface that makes navigating through your surveys a breeze. Once logged in, look for the All Surveys option, usually located in the main menu or dashboard area. Clicking on this will display a list of all the surveys you've created or have access to. This is where you'll choose the survey you want to share. Take a moment to find the specific survey you're interested in sharing with others. After you've located your survey, click on it to open more options. You should see an Edit Survey button. By clicking this button, you'll enter the survey editor. Here, you can make any last-minute changes or adjustments if needed. It's always a good idea to double-check your questions and settings before proceeding to share. Once you're satisfied with your survey setup, look for the Publish Survey button. This is your next step in making your survey ready for distribution. Publishing your survey ensures that it's live and can be accessed by those you share it with. SurveyMonkey will guide you through the publishing process, making it straightforward and ensuring everything is set up correctly. Now that your survey is published, you'll see the option to copy the survey link. This link is a direct URL to your survey, which you can share easily via email, social media, or any other platform where you intend to reach your audience. Simply click copy and paste the link wherever you need. This is the quickest way to distribute your survey to a large number of people. Alternatively, if you're looking for different methods to send out your survey, SurveyMonkey offers a variety of options under More Ways to Send. By selecting this, you'll find a range of additional sharing methods, including email invitations directly from SurveyMonkey, social media integrations, or even embedding the survey on your website. These options provide flexibility and customization to suit your specific sharing needs. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share a SurveyMonkey survey. With these simple steps, you can effectively distribute your surveys and start gathering the insights you need. Remember, a well-shared survey is key to collecting a wide range of responses. So choose the sharing method that best fits your audience. Happy surveying!